How to fix Wi-Fi calling drains the battery on Realme Narzo 90x. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode, turn off, turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but it doesn't this fix problem. So again, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on backup and reset. Click on reset phone and click on reset all setting. After click on reset all setting, enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi calling drains the battery on Realme Narzo 90x. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.